Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a stock journal. A well-maintained stock journal is your most powerful tool for improving trading performance. It provides an objective record of your decisions, allowing you to learn from every trade. By consistently documenting your actions, you gain invaluable insights into your strategies and emotional responses. This disciplined approach helps you refine your methods and achieve greater success in the market over time. When creating your journal, focus on capturing key data points for every transaction. Always include the stock's ticker symbol and the full company name. Precisely record your entry and exit prices, noting the exact date and time for both. Additionally, document the quantity of shares involved, whether it's 100 shares or 1,000. This detailed information forms the foundation for effective analysis later on. The true power of a stock journal comes from consistent analysis. Regularly review your entries to identify recurring patterns in your trading behavior. Assess which strategies are consistently profitable and which ones lead to losses. Learn valuable lessons from every trade, whether it was a gain of $200 or a loss of $50. Use these insights to refine your approach and make more informed decisions moving forward. Maintaining a stock journal offers numerous benefits. It significantly improves your decision-making by providing a clear history of your actions and their outcomes. This practice also fosters discipline and helps you manage emotions during volatile market conditions. You can identify and refine your most profitable strategies while eliminating less effective ones. Furthermore, a well-kept journal serves as an invaluable record for tax purposes and future reference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.